How to cancel premium membership on YouTube. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application YouTube. It will land you on this home page. Once you're in here, click on You at the bottom right corner. And then click on the settings icon at the top right corner. Move into Purchases and Memberships. It will lead you to this page. Well, in this page, it will show you the premium membership that you have purchased. But for me, you can see there is no any purchases of the membership. If you have already purchased it, then it will be shown in this page. All you want to do is click on it. Then the option of cancel subscription will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on cancel premium subscriptions. Once you click on it, your membership will be cancelled successfully. And then again you have to purchase it in order to have the premium subscription of YouTube. So that's it, and this was a tutorial on how to cancel premium subscription on YouTube. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.